Alright, so I want to show y'all some more of the misinformation on TikTok. Just watch this video, and then after the video, I'm going to tell you why it's not true and a lie.
To get a charge off or a repo removed within 48 hours or less, follow these steps. My client did it and she got 12 charge offs removed. You're going to create an Annovis account. Annovis is a secondary bureau. That's how your information is verified. You're going to log in and select the repo or the charge off. You're going to upload the FTC complaint, the consumer laws, and the Annovis letter, guys. If you don't have that, go to the bio and get the Become the Plug playbook. The charge off removal hack is in there for you. Once you get all that uploaded, you're going to hit submit. It's going to be removed within 48 hours or less. Once it's deleted, you're going to create a CFPB complaint. You're going to upload proof that it was deleted from Annovis, the FTC complaint, and the letter with the consumer laws. You're going to send that to all 3 credit reporting agencies. Once they receive that, guys, they can no longer verify it from Annovis, so they have to follow suit and delete it as well. That most likely this is going to happen within 30 days or less, and now your charge off or your repo is gone. Follow me for more tips. Go to the bio and get the Become the Plug playbook. It has the entire hack or comment credit, and I'll send it to you.
All right. So the truth is, most of your charge-offs are not even on Annovis. And I know this because I look at hundreds of credit reports a day, and Annovis is one of those reports. And most of the time, those accounts are not even on Annovis. Plus, they're going directly to the original creditor to verify this stuff. Why would they go to Annovis? Make it make sense.